How to add overlay in Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add overlay in Capcut. So let's dive in. First, you have to just import a video by clicking this import option and then click this plus sign and add it to the track. Once you add the video to the track, now to add the overlay, you have to just choose the second video, image or text, whatever you want to add, and drag it above the first video. And once you do so, you can just adjust the overlaid video by dragging the track over here, and also you can resize it by dragging these corners and setting it above the video. And that's how you add overlay. If you want to add text, you can just click this text sign and then you can click this plus sign and add the text over here. And that's how you add overlay on Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.